Why do you feel lonely when you're never actually alone? Think about it. You wake up and there's already people waiting for you. Messages, notifications. Somebody liked your post at 3 a.m. You open the app and boom, hundreds of people right there, all day, every day. Toby has 4,000 followers, 3 group chats, a DM from a turtle he met one time, back in 2019. By every number that exists, Toby should not be lonely. Toby is, statistically, one of the most connected tortoises alive, and Toby is still lonely enough to cry into his own shell. Last night, Toby put the phone down, and the room went quiet. And Toby felt worse than before he even picked it up. That doesn't make sense, surrounded by people and still starving. So today, Toby went looking for the one dumb reason why this keeps happening. And once you hear it, you will see it everywhere. In your feed, in your group chats, in you. Let's get into it. Here is the strange part. Toby is never actually alone. Toby wake up, grab the phone, and boom, hundreds of people. Toby see what everybody ate, who everybody dating, what everybody think about a movie Toby is never going to watch. Toby laugh at the memes, Toby like the posts. Toby watch a complete stranger's entire vacation, for hours. Toby is technically with people. And then, Toby put the phone down, and the room is dead silent, and Toby feel emptier than before he picked it up. Toby is drowning in connection and starving of loneliness at the exact same time. Does that make sense? So Toby figure out what is really going on. And it is this. All that scrolling, the likes, the followers, the watching everybody's life, that is not connection. That is a picture of connection. It is like being starving. And instead of eating, you scroll through pictures of food. The pictures look amazing. Your eyes get full. Your brain even go, food. But your stomach still empty. Because you can stare at 1,000 pictures of a burger and you will never one time get full. That is what a like is. A picture of food. That is what watching everybody's life is. A picture of a meal you never actually get to eat. Toby been scrolling a whole buffet for hours and quietly starving the entire time. And here's the trap that make it so much worse. Real connection, an actual hangout, a real phone call, sitting next to somebody that take effort. You gotta text first, make a plan, leave the house, put on pants. But a picture of food? One tap. Instant. Zero effort. So every time Toby feel a little lonely, Toby don't cook a real meal. Toby just grab another picture, another scroll, another little hit. And the pictures are so easy and so endless that slowly Toby stopped cooking real meals altogether. The fake stuff quietly crowd out the real stuff, and Toby get lonelier and lonelier and lonelier, sitting in front of a feast. So Toby put the pictures down, and for once, Toby thinks slow. And thinking slow, Toby figure out how to actually get full. 4 things. 1. Notice you're eating pictures. Next time you feel that lonely ache and your hand reach for the app to connect, pause. That move has never once worked. That is, you licking a photo of a sandwich. 2. Cook one real meal. Don't try to fix your whole social life today. Just reach out to one real person. One text that is not a meme. Hey, you free this week? One real hello beat 1,000 likes? 3. When you do, actually be there. Put the phone away and listen. Toby already told you the phone is salt water. A real meal only feed you if you actually eat it. 4. Keep the bar low. Connection is not a big dramatic event. It is small and often one short call, one walk, sitting next to somebody saying nothing at all. Little real meals all the time. And be patient, because real connection cooks slow. You cannot microwave a friendship. It take a few real moments stacked up over time. Toby still scroll. Toby still like a good meme at 2 a.m. Toby is not a monk. But now Toby know the difference. When that lonely ache show up, Toby don't reach for a picture of food. Toby text one real turtle. Toby make one small plan. Toby put the phone down and actually sit with somebody, and slow, real slow, the empty feelings start to fill up. Not with likes, with actual meals. Turn out Toby was never really lonely. Toby was just starving at a table full of pictures. So here is Toby's law. Likes are pictures of food. You can scroll a whole feast and still starve. If you feel alone with 1,000 friends online, you're not broken. You're just hungry for a real meal. So, go and cook one. One text. One call. One real moment. That is the only thing that ever actually feed you. Toby say thanks for sitting at the table with him for a while. Toss Toby a strawberry, a real one. Hit subscribe, and go text one real person today. Slow and steady.